Welcome to the Fizzy Show. It's me. Huh? What was that? Oh, there it is again. Oh, and this is starting to get spooky. Good one, Phoebe. You got me.
Happy Halloween! What are we gonna do today?
Oh, well, why don't we go trick-or-treating?
Yay! Awesome sauce!
Yeah, Phoebe, come on.
I'm a pussycat. Meow.
Very good, Phoebe. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Trick-or-treat.
Awesome! We have a ghost surprise slime bag.
Cool.
Oh, there was my ghost.
Let's empty the bag into a bowl. Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. A little ghost slime bag from the haunted house. This is so cute. Okay, let's get a bowl. Oh, and I'd better take my Halloween gloves off too. Oh, I am too impatient. I'm just going to open this bag up like this. What do we have in here? Ooh, sticky, sticky slime. Ooh, let's see what we have in here. It's very slimy and very stretchy. Look, we have beads. I'm going to take a few of these out. It is so stretchy. Look at that. Ooh. Let's go back in and see what else there is. I think there's something else in here. We have a lot of green glitter. Look at that. And what's down here? Whoa. Ooh, this is really spooky. Let me get some of this slime off. Look. We have some spiders. Ooh, that is very Halloween-y. Ooh.
Huh, that was a trick bag. Okay, let's see what we get next.
Come on, Fizzy! Trick or treat!
Whoa, look how orange this slime bag is.
And there's green at the top, too.
Oh, yeah, awesome. It's a pumpkin, look.
Oh, cool.
Ooh, let's see if this is a trick or a treat bag. Oh, I love the colors of this one. It really does look like a pumpkin. Let's open it up and see what's inside. It's sticky and it's stretchy. Look at that. What do we have here? Look at this. How stretchy is that? And I love how the colors are starting to mix. Ooh, who is this? Let's see what we have here. This looks like it's a stretchy fruit. Look at that. It's a little apple. Woo, woo, woo. Oh, it's all sticking to the other one. We have little miniature fruits in here.
Are there any strawberries, Miss Hands?
Now let's see. Nope. I'm going to say these are apples and some oranges.
Awesome sauce!
That was definitely a treat bag.
Ooh, next one! Ooh, Fizzy, where are we?
Phoebe, it's a laboratory. Oh, okay, here we go. Trick or treat.
Whoa!
Oh, it's a monster slime bag.
Ew, I bet there's lots of spooky things in there.
Yeah. And look at the bright green, too.
Ooh.
It's time to investigate, team. Ooh, you're right, Fizzy. This really is a monster slime bag from the lab. Look at all that stuff in there. Let's open it up. Ooh, it's gooey. Look how green this is. And it's so stretchy and sticky. Whoa, it's sticking to my hands. Oh, look at that. Let's see what we have down here. Ooh, look, we have a little witch. Can you see that? And a pumpkin. Ooh, some spider's webs. Now, wait a minute. Looks like there's something else in here, but I can't quite tell what it is.
Try this, Miss Hands.
Ooh, thanks, Fizzy. It's got a long body. I think I know what this is. Let's take some of this slime off here, and then you'll be able to see it more easily. There, can you see that better? You know what it is?
It's a centipede.
That's right, Fizzy. How awesome is this?
It has so many legs.
Yeah, good spot, Phoebe.
And it's a bit scary.
Oh, don't worry. It's just an insect. That was definitely a trick bag.
I hope the last house gives us some nice things.
Well, Phoebe, there's only one way to find out.
Trick or treat!
Awesome! That was magical.
Oh, Fizzy, this looks like a witch's slime bag.
Cool. I bet there's some awesome magical things inside.
I agree. I think we should use magic to open this one.
Yay! Yay! I'll use my fizzy magic. Are you ready? Join in with me. 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop.
Oh, thanks, Fizzy. Oh, this is so purple, isn't it? And look, up here I can see sparkles. We have sparkles in here. Let's take some of this out and see what else is inside. Oh, that's really stretchy and purpley. Put that in our bowl. Oh my goodness, what is this? This is a different texture. Oh, and this is a kind of witchy color, isn't it? This kind of orangey, pumpkin-y, Halloween-y orange. Oh, and there's those sparkles. Look, that's purple glitter. And it's so sticky. Oh, this is so fun to play with. Look at this. Oh, wait a minute. I found something else in here. Let's see if we can get all this sticky slime off and see what it is. Oh, look. Phoebe is going to be so happy to see this.
A unicorn!
That's Phoebe's favorite.
Oh, unicorns are awesome. They're so magical and colorful and cool.
Yeah, this is definitely a treat bag.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, that was such a fun trick or treat day.
And look at all the cool things we found.
Well, we all know what your favorite was.
Unicorn!
Oh, happy Halloween, Phoebe.
Happy Halloween, Fizzy.
Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next